The 2023 Honda Accord has undergone significant changes in its 10th generation model, with a focus on enhancing passenger comfort, reducing road noise, and improving efficiency. While the new Accord has adopted Honda's corporate styling, the sweeping fastback look has been replaced with a more subdued, three-box sedan shape. The interior has been revamped with a simplified, high-quality design, and all trim levels come with improved sound deadening, making the car notably quieter. Structural improvements have been made to the Accord, resulting in a more rigid platform that allows the suspension to work effectively. The hybrid drivetrain has been upgraded, providing a more powerful electric traction motor, which contributes to a quieter and smoother driving experience. On the highway, the Accord performs impressively well in terms of quietness and isolation, especially in the top-tier touring trim. While the new 2023 Honda Accord excels in comfort and modern features, it has lost its previous sporting edge. The focus on comfort and quietness compromises its handling and steering, leading to a less engaging driving experience, especially on back roads. Although a sport trim is available, it no longer lives up to its name, lacking the performance characteristics that were once associated with the Accord. While the new 2023 Honda Accord is technically an improvement in many aspects, some enthusiasts may miss the sportier nature of previous models. However, for those seeking a quiet, fuel-efficient family sedan with modern features, the new Accord is a strong recommendation. The improvements in road noise reduction, passenger comfort, and infotainment make it an appealing choice for everyday commuting. Nonetheless, some feel that the Accord's transformation may have been influenced by a corporate strategy to differentiate it from Acura's entry-level TLX sedan. Overall, the 10th generation Honda Accord is a commendable family sedan, but it may not satisfy the expectations of enthusiasts looking for the sporty and engaging driving experience that the Accord was known for in the past. Nevertheless, for those seeking a comfortable and refined commuter car, the new Accord is an excellent choice with its improved features and fuel efficiency.